Uh, let's try to solve some problem from the pollution chapter. And these questions are based on particulate particles basically, or particulate matters. First question is, it was from GATE 2022, and the question is, a bag filter is used for removal of particulate matter having a range of size. The correct sequence of air filtration mechanism for their removal in order to of decreasing sizes. ठीक. अब इन जनरल जो बैग फिल्टर होता है उसमें सबसे पहले जो इम्पैक्शन है, इम्पैक्शन ये 5 से लेके 10 माइक्रोमीटर तक के पार्टिकल को फिल्टर करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. मीन्स यू कैन से इम्पैक्शन अकर्स फर्स्ट फॉर द लार्ज पार्टिकल ऑफ दिस साइज and as they cannot follow the airflow and collide with the filter fibers. ठीक. After that there is interception. Okay. So interception is for the medium size particles where they directly contact and stick to the fiber. Okay. And at the end there will be diffusion. Okay. So diffusion happens for the very small size particle whose dimension is around 1 micrometer. Okay. So the correct order will be impaction, option number D, that is impaction, interception and diffusion. So option number D is correct answer. Next question is from GATE 2023, and this question is, a boiler in an industry located where high plum rise is expected and release flue gas with the fine particulate matter. Which one of the following option is more suited and efficient as if this particular matter is intended for reuse? ठीक. अब actually in this case you simply can say first option ये कह रहा है reduce stack height and increase stack diameter. So by changing stack dimension it doesn't remove particles. तो ये भी ऑप्शन आपका इनकरेक्ट है. ठीक है. ठीक. And for this case this use of ESP, that is electrostatic precipitator, is most efficient option for removing fine particulate matter from the flue gases in industrial setting. ठीक है. ESP क्या करता है? It uses electric field. It uses electric field, you can say electrical field to charge particle, and when them get collected on oppositely charged plates allowing the particular matter to be separated and reused. So ESP is the best option for this one. So option number D is the correct answer. Next question is from GATE 2024, and it is again based on the particular matter problem. A gravity settling chamber of height h and length L is designed to control particulate air pollution. In the chamber, the horizontal velocity of the air flow is Vh and terminal setting velocity is Vt. ठीक है. वो टारगेट पार्टिकल की टर्मिनल वेलोसिटी Vt से डिनोट कर रहे हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग expression is correct concept used to calculate the minimum size of the target particle that will be removed with the 100% efficiency. अब अगर जो मिनिमम जो टर्मिनल सेटलिंग वेलोसिटी VH रिक्वायर्ड होगी फॉर कंप्लीट रिमूवल इज, इट विल बी मिनिमम मांगी है क्योंकि इट विल बी VH divided by L. So you can rewrite it as Vt upon H is equals to VH upon L. So the option number D is your correct option. Okay.